Hello, everyone. How are you doing today? Welcome to today's video. Here in FGB TV, I talk about personal finance, I talk about wealth creation, I talk about money making ideas both online and offline. Okay, so in today's video, I want to talk about how as a family, you can save more money in 2024. This is going to be mind-blowing. You have about 10 ways, and trust me, some of these points, if you have never considered them, you have never thought that these things can help you save money. Let's not waste too much time. Let's just get started. So number one way you can save money as a family is tracking your expenses and creating a budget. These two go hand in hand. Creating a budget involves tracking your expenses. So as a family, you must sit down, think of everything as a family you are doing with money. Daddy and mommy, sit down. If your children are a bit grown, involve them. What do we do with money? What are we spending money on? What is taking our money? Track your expenses and create a budget in 2024. Enough of allowing your money just come and go. You must start adulting your money. What does it mean to adult your money? Monitor where your money is going to. So create a budget. That is number one way you can save more money as a family in 2024. Number two way that you can save money in 2024 as a family is cut down on unnecessary expenses. If you don't track your expenses, if you don't track where your money is going to, you can never know which one is unnecessary expenses. There's some things that you really do not have business with. So you must sit down and cut down on all unnecessary expenses. Some of you in your house, one house, you have DSTV, you have GoTV, you have Netflix, and you are putting subscription on all of them. This year, say no, stop it. Stop it. I know someone who in her house uses DSTV. She has done DSTV subscription in her house, but on her phone, she's still carrying Netflix up and down, paying for subscription on Netflix every time and using data to watch movies on Netflix. I had to ask her one of the days, the DSTV in your house, who is watching? She said, that one is when I'm at home. When I'm outside and I want to keep myself busy, I watch Netflix. Auntie, connect the Netflix to your TV. When you are at home, watch it. When you're outside, you can still watch it. And leave DSTV alone. So some of you may need to sit down and cut down on unnecessary expenses. They are unnecessary. You don't need them. Okay, so number three way you can save more money as a family in 2024 is meal planning. Yes, we must plan our meals in 2024. See, you know that food is very expensive now. It's not just in Nigeria, it's all over the world. Food is expensive now. So you can't just be, A, we eat this, B, we eat that. Everybody's just eating the way they like, No, when you plan for your meals, you think ahead, you shop ahead. There's no wastage. There's no wastage. For example, if you have planned your meals, let's say Monday lunch is jollof, or Monday breakfast is jollof rice, or lunch, whatever, is jollof rice and chicken, and then the same on Wednesday is also jollof rice. Now, if you have planned your meals, you know that when you are cooking on Monday, you have cooked, and whatever is left is not for the dogs, it's not for throwing away, it's not for the bin. You preserve it. In fact, you cook in excess on purpose. Preserve it for Wednesday. That's meal plan. That way you will not waste. You will not waste food. You pack it up and keep it in your freezer. Meal planning will reduce wastage both in food materials and at the end of the day the money you spend on food. So number four way as a family you can save more money in 2024 is energy. Energy is both your light, your gas. See, you see number 3 point of meal planning, it will help you in number 4. When you cook in bulk, somehow you save gas. I know you know that the cost of filling your 12.5 kg gas now, you know how much it is. About 13,000 naira or so, if I'm not mistaken. So you must look for how to save energy. When you are going out, put off your lights, put off your fan, put off your appliances. There's nobody at home, don't leave it on. You know that if you are using prepaid, it will just continue to read. Let me not even lie to you. Sometimes when my freezer is blocked, when I was using prepaid, I will put it off for some time. Yes, I will. See, right now we must be smarter than this inflation. We must be smarter than the economy, so that what we can beat it. All right. So, and the next point now on how as a family you can save more money. The fifth one is explore discount options. When you want to shop for groceries, you want to buy things, look for alternatives that have discount options. Maybe buy two get one free. Take advantage of those discount options. Take advantage of those discount options. Sometimes they help. I remember one time I wanted to buy but then sometimes you really need to be careful. I remember one time I went to Joshua and I wanted to buy this Hypo toilet cleaner. I saw the normal Hypo toilet cleaner and I saw one that they had attached this big bar soap. Which product is that now? I can't even remember. It was around September last year. You know, they were doing this kind of discounts. They had promo, so they attached this big bar soap, and as a smart babe that I am now, I quickly went to pick that one. Both of them had price. They didn't put different price tag, just the normal price tag, like, of course. But my mind was telling me that these two should be different, since this thing is not on all of them. I think one is their new stock. Oh, when I got to the counter, these people, you see these business people, some of them, they are really smart. They know what they are doing. They had calculated the price of that soap and they had added it to the price of. I returned it to. I went to take the normal apple because I have soap. But that's just on the lighter note. But then look for discount options. There are some of them that I really do have. Maybe they are trying to clear off their old stock. Okay, so as a family, how else can you save more money? DIY. What is DIY? Do it yourself. See, there are some repairs in your house. If you have the time, do it yourself and keep the money. Do it yourself. Maybe a part of your house needs small painting, do it yourself. Me, I'm big on DIY. I'm big. It's now that sometimes some people will tell me, let's pay someone who's going do a DIY. Some of you, pride will not let you do DIY. So pride will not let your neighbor say, can I do this on yourself? Hey, hello. Encourage every member of the family to get involved in some of these things if you can do it yourself. Some people will say it's poverty mentality that is making you do DIY. I don't know, but then if you have the time, you have the strength, and you have the technical know-how, you have the knowledge of how to do it, why not do it yourself? Get engaged, do it and save yourself some money. Okay, some things have involved your children, involve them. It's not everything small thing you call technician, small thing you call hey, my pipe is leaking. Hey, some of them is just for you to check before you know it. You know how to do it. Let me give you, okay, one of the days I wanted to blend, and as I just carried my blender plug, I saw that one of the mouth had broken. In fact, and I had put everything I wanted to blend. I think it was it beans I wanted to blend in the blender cup. It was just for me to put it on, plug it, and start. And I saw that the mouth was one of the, that you plug in. It had these two mouths like this, and one of them was broken. God, what will I do? I should go and buy blender, just like that. Hey, if you want to get good blender now, you spend nothing less than 50,000 naira, just like that. You just cover 50K or more. I didn't know what to do, really. I didn't know what to do. I called my husband. He was not at home. I said, dear, please, what can I do? He said, cut off the plug mount, pull out the wire, and use the naked wire. I got to work. Carry scissors, cut it out. Use my teeth. I've seen them how they tear those things. I tore the wire, pulled out the other the naked wire, brought out the two connected it to my extension, and I blended. And I've been using it like that for a time until I can go and buy another blender. So let's be open to doing things by ourselves, DIY. Okay, now what other way can you save more money as a family? Transportation alternatives. See this one, there is no one size fits all. There's no one size fits all. We all know what the cost of transportation is saying now. We all know what fuel is saying now. So sit down as a family. Is going out with the family car cheaper for us? Is Uber cheaper for us? Is public transport cheaper for us? Now is no longer the time to be doing shakara. Oh. Now is not the time to be proud. No, leave pride one side. Face reality. Sit down and check which one will pay us as a family. Depending on your family size, depending on maybe the kind of trips that you make. If all of you go in the same direction, daddy, mommy, children, take one car instead of trying to fuel two cars. Take one car, drop off the children, drop off, and the last person goes with the car. You guys, family right now, there's nothing hey, do husband do your own, wife do. Let's come together, let us sit down and talk about this thing so that we can save together as a family. So look at what transportation option is best for your family size, your pocket size, and just work with it. There is no one size fits all when it comes to transportation options, because of course you know that this thing varies, right? Okay, so what is the next point now? How many have we mentioned? I've lost counts, really. Okay, so the next one is financial education, which is why I'm here, and you are here anyway. See, be hungry to get financial education so that you can know how to make the best decisions concerning your finance. Read books. Currently, I have a book review group where we read books on personal finance, wealth creation, one book per month. We're already in our second month. We started in December. We're already in our second month, and the last review was on the 30th of December. It was mind-blowing. Everyone said their own, shared their knowledge. See, read books. I encourage people to read books. Read books. We're already on our second book. Read books. Financial. If you want to join the book review group, just send me a message through the link in the description, or through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is in the description of my YouTube channel. Send me a message. Let me add you to the group. We just read books. There's nothing else happening there. After the review, I close the group back. Everybody go and read book until after 1 month again. We'll come back and talk about the group so that we can, maintain the sanity of the group. Get financial education. It's very important. They don't teach you these things in school. So if you don't know, you will just keep making the same mistake over and over. Get financial education as a family. Nobody is too young to get financial education in the family. Even to the baby of the house, daddy, mommy, everyone should get financial education. Encourage your friends and family members to get financial education, because if you are the richest man amongst your family, you never reach. They will use billing to injure you. So as you are learning, as you are growing, drag all of them along with you. If you know that you are getting value, just hit that subscribe button. As in, I'm touching the areas that really concern you. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Is that bell signal that is just somewhere around in the channel. Just turn it on so that you can know when next valuable content comes up and you do not miss any of them. So what's the next one now? Ways that as a family you can save more money in 2024. Smart shopping. Let us learn to buy in bulk. Right now, if you are still doing, you want to eat rice, buy 1 derica of rice, buy groundnut oil, buy seasoning, 50 naira seasoning, groundnut oil, this and that. You will be spending more money. This is called smart shopping. You do smart shopping by buying in bulk. If only you cannot buy maybe a carton of chicken or something, come together with friends, put money together, buy and share. It's always cheaper when you buy in bulk. And then sometimes when prices of goods now go up, you will not even know. I was so lucky. I bought rice. I bought half bag at 19,000 naira sometime in September, Immediately after I bought, I heard that rice was now selling for 40,000, 50,000. Hey, I was so grateful. That is what buying in bulk can do for you. See how much I've saved my family. See how much I've saved my family. A lot of people, it was in this December that they bought rice. Let us try to buy in bulk. Even tomatoes too. I think I've exhausted all the points that I have noted down. If you think there's anyone that I've not mentioned, or there's any hack your family is using to save more money, please mention it in the comment section so that we can all learn together. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. I love you guys. See you in my next video.